I want to talk about my picnic table. We've had this for over 5 years, maybe close to 8 years. We live in the Pacific Northwest, Washington, and it rains like months out of the year. So this has taken a beating in the weather. It still holds up nicely. It does have a little bit of rust on the feet. And you can see that there's just a little bit of staining on the top from being under the tree and in the weather for so many years, season after season. But this table is so cool. See how I am pulling out the seats? So they are attached, but you can completely rotate them. Great if you want to use the table to eat, or flip the seats and you can use it to sit and face out. This is nice quality. It has held up very well over the years. Universal, and it's comfortable to sit on. We have an original and official lifetime picnic table. So this is a round table. It is nice quality. It has a plastic seat, a plastic table, and you want to point to the metal frame there?
Like right under the table.
It's a metal frame. A few things about this table is that the seats completely rotate. All three of the seats completely rotate, so you can expand your seating or close it in if you want to use the table to play cards, eat food. It is heavy duty, so this is not a light table. It does have a hole, so you can stick an umbrella in there for shade. It is not going to blow away easy. There is weight. I want to point out that there is a hole that the legs create, so the umbrella will fit nicely there and it's secure, so you don't need an extra umbrella stand. The center of the table holds the umbrella nicely in place. So see, you can see the weather has done some wear, but honestly, it's still in good working condition. There we go. So just wave at the camera. Hold on, I'll tell you when. Oh, hold on. I look bad.
I kind of already waved at it.
It's okay.